Tuesday Noyes notes and 1 degree outside today. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here. A cold start this morning, but relatively quiet weather today for cleanup and restoration efforts after our historic blizzard. A quick moving clipper moves in tomorrow. The morning commute will be impacted with a little burst of snow, but it's a fairly minor event, all things considered. There will be some localized slippery travel. We'll take a look at it in just a second. For the kiddos that do have school today, the wind chill in the single digits out the door. So the hat and the gloves, the winter boots and the winter coats may want to grab the sunglasses, but the wind chill does improve into the 20s later on today for recess and the bus ride home from school. We do get some limited sunshine, but then clouds will build back in. There's still some upper level energy around, so expect variable cloud cover today and a couple of flurries that may be produced from one or two of those clouds. The skies do clear out this evening, though. That's part of the problem, actually. That allows the temperatures to drop into the single digits and teens overnight tonight and into very early tomorrow morning. As light snow comes into western New England between 3 and 5 a.m. and eastern New England between 5 and 7 a.m. It is very light in terms of intensity, but cold enough that it sticks at the onset, particularly on untreated surfaces. Notice how quickly, though, it comes through and how quickly the temperatures rise through the 20s and 30s over the course of mid to late morning, particularly in southeastern New England. So improvement will be had on the roads after a cold start as those temperatures rise and that warm front lifts through. So it's a coating to an inch in southeastern New England and the far north country, but there may be some amounts to go inch and a half, or an isolated 2-inch amount from southern Vermont, Route 2 corridor, and around an inch or two when you get along the Midcoast and down East Maine. Track it all, of course, with our 1 degree outside weather app. It is free. Pinpoint your exact location. Follow along with the interactive radar, the hourly forecast, and, of course, our videos and 24/7 stream.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 degree outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the number 1 degree outside weather.